In this video, I'll show you how to enable USB debugging security settings on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find USB Debugging Security Settings. Tap the toggle next to USB Debugging Security Settings to turn it on. A warning or confirmation message may appear on the screen. Read the information carefully, then tap Allow or Enable to confirm. This setting provides additional security when using USB debugging and helps protect your device when connected to a computer. Keep in mind that some devices may require you to sign into your account or meet additional security requirements before enabling this feature. That's it! You have successfully enabled USB debugging security settings on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.